Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. So what do we have here today? Well, John, let's come over and take a look here. We got a Ford F-150, and we did a 3.5-inch rough country lift. We also did wheels and tires. So before I get into the wheels and tires, take a good look in there. This is a coil over a rough country, and I tell you, I like rough country. I have rough country on my personal vehicle, and it's a really reasonably priced lift. And 3.5 I find is a really good height. A lot of times people get to 2s and then later on they say, man, I wish I got a little bigger. I tell my guests, start 3.5. It's really the height you need to start with. If not, you're going to want to, you start anything lower, you're going to end up with 3.5 anyways, or bigger. And again, you get some nice clearance here. Now, these tires are your 33 12.5, and they're 20-inch rims. Now, if you notice, it does have a little bit of a negative offset, so it comes out a little bit past the wheel well here, and that's a real popular setup. Now the tires and wheels, the tires are Radar, and they're the Renegade RTs. The rims here, these are Archons here. Now these black Archons I like a lot. If you look here, you got the little silver trim here. It gives it a sharp look. If you don't have a little silver in there, what happens is the black gets camouflaged and you really don't see much of the wheel. By having the silver in there, now you can see all the design work, and this is a very good looking wheel. And speaking of good looking, this tire, now this is the RT. Now if you're not familiar with an RT is your hybrid tire. You got your all-terrains, you got your mud-terrains. The hybrids are right in the middle. What it does is give you the kind of like the ride of an all-terrain, but the look of a mud-terrain. You know, mud-terrains are nice, but they're a little noisy on the road and they don't ride as nice on the highway. All-terrains ride terrific, but they don't look as cool as a mud-terrain. So here's your best of both worlds. So you got a more aggressive side here. You know, again, it looks very similar to a mud terrain, but it's going to have a lot better ride, and it's going to be a lot quieter than a mud terrain. And I tell you, I think RT is really a good way to go. Now, if you like any of this stuff here, just give us a call. We can ship it to you anywhere in the country, or you can come to our store, and we can take care of all the installation for you as well. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of the Rough Country 3.5 lift and the Radar Renegade RT tires, 33 12.5 20s with Archon wheels. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.